All right, welcome in everyone to the channel. It's Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. As you guys can see, we are going to do some important debt announcements today to get you guys ready for layer 1. As you can see, the token's been recovering quite nicely. We're above $8 now when we were down 330 or so it's come up about 100%. Read through your email or log into your debt wallet to see this announcement. I'm not going to go over all of it in the video. I did confirm one thing that didn't quite make sense. All right, here was what I was looking for. The reward distribution on the current system will stop at the end of the cycle on December 15th. So you want to make sure you mint your nodes into NFTs by December 9th, but don't withdraw from the piggy bank until, I'm going to do mine the 14th just to be safe. I don't care if I miss one day. I just don't want to wait till the last second. So on the 14th or 15th, you're going to withdraw your tokens from the piggy bank. You do not need to move them from your debt wallet right now. We're going to cover that in the video. Okay, so I have 177,000 BGLDs. This is what I need to withdraw by the 15th. Okay, I'm going to withdraw this on the 14th. Once they're in this wallet, they're fine. Okay, so these black gold, these 67,000, as long as they're in this wallet, I'm good. Okay, so this wallet does not connect to Web3, so we can't use it on the new system. So I highly recommend you guys get Rabby. Even if you have MetaMask, this is way better. So all you're going to do is click download for Chrome. Yours will say installing Chrome. Once you do that, you want to come up to this little puzzle piece, right? And come to Rabby Wallet and see how it's blue and pinned. If I unpin it, now Rabby's gone up here. So when you first install it, you won't see it up here. So come to the puzzle piece, find Rabby, and click pin. And then it will be there. I think you can move this up too. Yeah. Okay. So now once we have Rabby installed, you're going to set it up. You're going to put in a password. Okay. This has nothing to do with your debt password. So once you get into Rabby, it's pretty simple. You're going to make that password, and then you're going to, they're going to ask you if you want to import or create a new wallet. If you already have Rabby, you're going to click this top right button, and you're going to click import seed phrase. Okay. Because we're going to take our 12 seed words from our debt wallet and put it in here. And then we'll be able to connect to Web3 and do all the things that we need to do on layer 1. So I'm going to get out my notebook and put in my 12 seed words, and we'll pick it up from there. Okay, I just put in my seed words, and I don't know why it does this, but you're going to see a bunch of addresses, but it's always going to be the one at the top. Okay. If you want to double check it, you can just hit receive 0xDA D7, 0xDA D7. So we're going to click add to Rabby. Okay, and then you can name it. All right, so I'm going to put debt, and this is under my HBB LLC. Okay, now we come here. Okay, let's see where my address is. If I click on here, you can see my BNB, my DCM. Now some of them might not be added here. So you might need to add them, because I should have this black gold. It should show 67,000 of those. Let me check something here really quick. Okay, let's see if this works. So I went to Deck Screener, I put in BGLD. Here's the contract address. I'm going to copy that. All right, I'm going to try this. I'm going to paste that in there. All right, token is not listed by Rabby. It will be added to the token list if you switch it on. Okay, so now let's see if we see my BGLD. There we go. So there's my 67,000 black gold. So let's see if my NatG showed up. So you might have to add some of these. So again, we'll go to NatG. Copy that. Just click on this blue area anywhere in here to see your tokens, and then paste the token address. And it'll pop up, and then you just click on it, click over there, and you're all set. So now we should see the NatG. There we go. All right, now some people will also have an issue with, you know, let me find a low thing. Like, okay, well, no, I need to go to my rewards. So I think my rev was really low. So some people might say, because there's a $5 BNB fee to withdraw tokens, okay? So is it worth it to spend the $5 to get 11 rev for $1.25? That's worth $1.25 now? Probably not. There's only 11 of them. Obviously, that we know the prices are down now, which is why when you guys do anything right now, you don't want to sell your tokens because they're so down. So if you need to mint more NFTs, try to get fresh money in there because you don't want to be selling your tokens right now. So I probably won't do this one, but all the other ones I believe I will do. You know, this one, you know, it's $5 to get 8, but again, I don't really care about the dollar amount. I care about the number. So there's 538 DLG, and obviously, you know, the token's $0.015, so I think it'll go up in the future. So I don't mind paying the $5 to get the 834. You know, you're gonna have to use your judgment. In my opinion, anything over $3, I would probably pay the $5 to get it out, because down the road, I'm sure these are gonna double in, you know, price in the next couple months. So if you have multiple debt wallets, okay, you're just gonna follow the same procedure. You're gonna click this right here, plus import seed phrase, and put in your next 12 words, call it something different. And then when you're in Rabby, you can click up here and you can go to all your different wallets that you create. So you can manage them all in one thing. You don't have to log out, and it's such a pain in MetaMask. So get Rabby. Make sure you mint your NFTs by December 9th, and then remove your tokens from the piggy bank by December 15th. I'm going to do mine on the 14th just to be safe. And then just to get prepared, you know, go ahead and put your debt wallet seed words into Rabby so that you are all ready for debt layer 1. All right, so I hope that helps and gives you guys some clarity as to how to move forward the next few days. But I'm super excited. I've gotten a little sneak preview about what's coming on layer 1 and the options we're going to have. So don't lose hope, guys. You know, we've gone through this. We beat the SEC, and real world assets, RWA, is going to be a huge narrative in this coming bull run. All right, lace up. Let's get wealthy, guys. Peace.